Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you all here. You're going to hear a lot more about help today. I'm so glad you've joined us. We're shaking things up a little bit with a new venue, some new faces in New York City to be with us. So this year marks Google's 20th anniversary. And for 2 decades, we've been working towards our mission of helping to organize the world's information, make it more accessible and helpful of our products today. I say this every year, but the big breakthroughs you're going to see are not in hardware alone. They come at the intersection of AI, software, and hardware working together. This approach is what makes Google's hardware experience so unique, and it unlocks all kinds of helpful benefits. So let's talk about what we've been working on. So first, for Life on the Go, we designed the world's best camera and put it in the world's most helpful phone, introducing the beautiful new Pixel 3. And for life at home, we designed, for life at work and at play, we're bringing the power and productivity of a desktop to a gorgeous tablet called Pixel Slate. And for life at home, we designed a smart display so you can hear and see the info you need and manage your connected home from a single screen. Introducing GoogleHomeHub. And here they are, coming up here in the pedestals for the first time, seen in real life. Go ahead, you can take a couple photos if you'd like. Try not to knock them over, because if you break it, you have to buy it.
As you can see, with Hub, I can follow along step-by-step instructions to figure out how to make Eggs Benedict. I can even watch a video to figure out how to poach an egg. Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about YouTube on Hub. The YouTube experience has been optimized, so I have access to a ton of how-to videos just by using my voice. Good example is I can say, "Hey Google, YouTube video, now Hub, hey Google, show me how to carve a pumpkin."
Playing how to carve Halloween pumpkins on YouTube.
It's a pretty epic pumpkin. And of course, Hub is great for enjoying music as well. With YouTube Music, you can easily find the perfect song, video, or artist. Hey Google, play something brand new.
All right, here's some music on YouTube.
So you can pre-order Google Home Hub on the Google Store today for $149. And it's also available on October 22nd at retail locations here in the US, UK, and Australia.
Thanks, Rick. Google Pixel Slate is a completely new experience, giving you powerful productivity in a fresh, mobile form. Something that isn't a laptop trying to be a tablet. Because who wants a fan in their tablet? Or a tablet that's really a phone pretending to be a computer. Instead, we combine the helpful elements of all of these devices to create a modern computing experience people have been asking for. We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. It's crafted with beautiful lines and rounded edges in a stylish midnight blue. And it has a perfectly balanced center of gravity, so it's incredibly comfortable to hold. Pixel Slate is engineered with a stunning detailed display, so sitting back to enjoy a movie is better than ever. It has 293 pixels per inch. That's 6 million pixels for the sharpest picture in the category. To get to this level of quality, Pixel Slate uses a custom display with low-temperature polycrystalline silicon technology, which allows for 100 times faster movement of electrons versus a standard display. As a result, you can efficiently light up a massive number of pixels. Your movies, photos, and games will be stunning in vibrant colors and brilliant resolution. Now, a brilliant display doesn't mean much without great sound. So with Pixel Slate, we've positioned the speakers on the front of the device so they can direct stereo sound towards you instead of out towards the walls or the floor. They deliver surprisingly big sound.
Love me, don't forget you love me when I break things.
We've also tuned our audio algorithms with a custom designed profile that gives you crisp highs and clear lows. This combination of an amazing display and dual front-firing speakers gives you the best entertainment experience you can hold in your hands. Pixel Slate comes in several configurations, starting at $599. Pixel Slate keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook pen, now in matching midnight blue, is $99.
Finally, it's time to talk about phones. Google Pixel 3 is designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most useful device in your life. It's a phone that can answer itself, a camera that won't miss a shot, and it's a whole new experience when it's charging.
Pixel 3 was built with exceptionally beautiful and thoughtful design choices. It feels great to the touch and light in your hand. The matte finish on the all-glass back is the first of its kind. It carries over our iconic two-tone design while providing a beautiful, silky texture that helps avoid fingerprints. We developed a new etching process that allows for both matte and glossy textures on the same piece of curved glass with smooth lines and seamless transitions. Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The new Pixel comes in 2 display sizes: the 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. Both of them share the same features, but we know users who want a bigger phone really want a bigger screen. So we've designed Pixel 3 XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners, giving users an edge-to-edge viewing experience with some extra useful space at the top. The flexible OLED is the best Pixel display ever. The new adaptive color profile provides a bright, vibrant viewing experience from any angle and in any lighting. Both phones have bigger screens than last year's Pixel and a larger screen-to-body ratio. They feel smaller and more comfortable to hold.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and richer than last year, perfect for a video call or for playing music by the pool. The custom sound zero shutter lag HDR Plus on the first Pixel, it blew away traditional HDR methods, and we're still the only ones to use this method. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures. We combine the images algorithmically to create an image that is brighter, more detailed, and more colorful. This technology is generations ahead of other smartphones. And all of this is happening on device. Pixel Visual Core is our custom-designed imaging chip that takes complex imaging and data crunching power out of our data centers and puts it on your phone. We built Pixel Visual Core into Pixel 3, making the camera even faster and smarter to power new computationally intensive features.
Top Shot automatically captures alternate shots in HDR+. So if your timing wasn't perfect, it'll suggest a better one. You can also scroll through the alternates and save one of those instead.
And then there's Super Res Zoom. Anyone who's tried to take a photo at a concert knows that phone cameras have terrible zoom. Instead of shooting a grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot, so you can get closer to the details and frame your shot the way you want.
And shadows. Night sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. Let's take a look. In extreme low light, we turn to machine learning to choose the right colors based on the content of the image. These shots are completely untouched. Night Sight makes Pixel the best low-light smartphone camera. It's coming next month to Pixel 3 and our other Pixels as well.
One sec. Oh. All right, 3, 2, 1. Smile!
Pixel users tend to get drafted as the official photographer, including for group selfies, and we want to help them be great at their job. So we added a second camera on the front that captures 184% more of the scene than iPhone XS. Now you can fit everyone in the shot without a selfie stick or unusually long arms like mine. Just zoom out. The difference is striking. You aren't just getting more people in the frame, you're getting more details, more scenery, more of a story.
For photos and selfies with even more story, we've got you covered. We've evolved AR stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front and rear cameras. We've got lots of new content and characters, including the Avengers, in celebration of Marvel Studios' 10-year anniversary. These characters are rendered to feel lifelike in the scene. And they
mentioned earlier, our new Google Assistant feature, powered by duplex technology, is able to help users with real-world tasks over the phone, like calling a restaurant to book a table. Pixel phones will be the first to get this Google Assistant feature when it rolls out city by city this month. Next month. One of these months. Next month. So stay tuned for details.
And we're going even further to help you with phone calls with our new call screen feature. Let's say you're at dinner with friends or in a meeting at work, and a call comes in. It could be something important, or it could be an offer for a free cruise. When you get that call and you can't or don't want to pick up, just tap the screen call button, and your phone will answer for you and ask who's calling and why. As you can see here, the conversation is transcribed in real time on your screen. You can decide whether to pick up, send a quick reply, or mark the call spam. You'll never have to talk to another telemarketer.
So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table, and your Pixel will take the hint and mute sounds and notifications. So you can have a quiet dinner with friends or spend some time with your family.
Could provide a totally different experience when it's charging. We're excited to introduce the smartest wireless charger ever, the new Pixel Stand. As a wireless charger, Pixel Stand is best in class. It charges your Pixel 3 super fast, even through cases. The Pixel Stand isn't just a charger. It changes the way you interact with your phone, thanks to the Google Assistant. When you dock your phone, the UI adjusts to be easily glanceable from across the room. You can control it with your voice or with one-touch suggestions on the display. In the morning, your Pixel 3 is a more thoughtful alarm clock. The screen will slowly brighten before your alarm goes off, so you can wake up more gently. And with help from the assistant, it knows your morning routine, the weather, and can easily answer your questions, similar to Google Home.
Play your music on Pixel's incredible front-firing stereo speakers, and the cover art is displayed on the screen. Pixel Stand also turns your Pixel 3 into a helpful component of your thoughtful home. You can easily control your connected devices around the house, and with Nest Hello, you can see who's at the door on your Pixel 3 screen. When it's not busy with other tasks, your Pixel 3 becomes a photo frame that delights you with automatically curated memories from your Google Photos library. Again, similar to the GoogleHomeHub experience you saw earlier. Pixel Stand transforms your Pixel 3, so you can get a more visual, helpful experience from your phone. It's the best way to wirelessly charge your Pixel or any Qi-compatible device. Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $799, and Pixel Stand is $79. Pixel 3 will arrive on October 18th in the US through Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi. On November 1st, it will be available in 12 more markets, including 4 new ones this year, France, Ireland, Japan, and Taiwan.
And we also have a large selection of cases and accessories available from both Google and our partners. Check them out on the Google Store today. So that's the new Pixel 3. It's designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most helpful device in your life. It's a phone that can answer itself, a camera that won't miss a shot, and a helpful assistant even when it's charging.